In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Windows Update error code 0x80070643 on your Windows 11. So let's get started. The first thing we can do is to go to the Start button and type Services. Click on Services under the Best Match. Then simply follow me for the services that we need to check. So let's scroll down to the W section. And here we can find the Windows Event Collector. Right click and then go to Properties. Startup type, make sure that is automatic. If this is not running, click on Start, Apply, and then OK. You can also click the Restart button on the left pane if the service is already running on your Windows 11. Then locate Windows Event Log, right click and then go to Properties. Startup type, make sure that is automatic. If it is not running, click on Start, Apply, and then OK. And you can also click on the Restart button on the left pane. Then scroll down to the Windows Update Service. Right click, go to Properties, Startup type, make sure that is automatic. If this is not running, click on Start, Apply, and then OK. After doing so, close the Services window. Right click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and do not forget to restart your Windows. After restarting your Windows, the second method that we can do is to go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click on Run as Administrator on the right pane. Click on Yes for the user account control. And then I have commands in here. This will be posted in the description section of this video. Copy each command one by one. Control C to copy and then Control V and paste. Control V to paste. And then second command. Control C to copy. Control V. And the next command. And for the last command. Hit enter. Now type exit, hit enter, and then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.